All right, so we just finished our article, so we are going to do the review page. And so as always, I would recommend stopping the video after I read each question. So you as the student or you as the parent can help the student answer the question first before I reveal the answer. Okay, so number 1 says, what is the paper about? 2020 census, stress awareness month, coronavirus. What did we just read about? So go ahead and look at the title of your article if you need help with the answer. And the answer is Stress Awareness Month.
Stress Awareness Month.
Week 1 was the 2020 census. Week 2, we read the coronavirus article. And today, week 3, we're reading the Stress Awareness Month article. Number 2, who can you talk to about stress? Is it the school counselor, a zombie, or an alien? So the answer is school counselor.
School counselor.
Might be a little scary talking to a zombie or an alien about your stress levels. So a school counselor is someone who works at our school at Biz Valley Middle School. We have 3 school counselors, one for each grade. Mr. Dale is our 6th grade counselor. Miss Gibson is our 7th grade counselor, and Mr. Reyna is our 8th grade counselor. And we have the counselors in our Google Classrooms. So if you need to talk to someone, I can help you find their email. And if you also want to talk to myself, or even actually we have our social worker, Mr. Waters, who can also help with stress-related questions and advice. Number 3, where does a school counselor work? At the park, at a museum, or a school? And the answer is school.
School.
That's why they're a school counselor. Okay. Number 4, what can stress change? Can it change your eye color, your height, or your feelings? So this one we didn't really talk about in the article that we read. Or it wasn't as stated as obviously. So I'll tell you the answer, that stress can change your feelings.
Feelings.
Because it can make you happy. It cannot make you happy, sorry. It can make you mad or sad or very worried. So it can change how you're feeling day to day, moment to moment. Number 5, what can stress give you? Stress can it give you a sunburn, a headache, or a broken bone? So stress, if you're really not feeling well, it can make your head hurt because you're feeling so mad or so worried. It can give you very big feelings, big emotions.
Headache.
And number 6 was actually also not part of this article, so I'm just going to tell you the answer. It says, what can cause stress at school? Is it tests, hiking, or vacation? So the answer to this one is tests. And so when you're taking a test at school, it can cause you stress because you want to do well on the test, you might need help, or you might think it's really hard. So it can give people a lot of stress.
Tests.
Okay.